Okay, hi everyone. This is a short lesson on finding exact value of trig functions in radian measure. So first thing we have is pi over 3. A full circle is 360 degrees, or 2 pi. Therefore, a half circle is pi. And pi over 3 is the same as a third. So a third of the way to pi is 60 degrees. So my reference is 60. And then sine is opposite. It's a ratio of the opposite over the hypotenuse. So in that 60-degree angle, the opposite of 60 is root 3. The hypotenuse is 2. So the answer is root 3 over 2. So if we have a little more complex one, like let's say the cosine of 3 pi over 4, this is 3/4 of the way to pi. So 3/4 of the way to pi is 3/4 of 180 is 135. So a 45 reference, 45, 45, 90. My legs are 1, 1, and root 2, remembering to make this one negative. So cosine of 3 pi over 4 is adjacent over hypotenuse, negative 1 over root 2. Okay, a little more complex one. Let's say I have the tangent of 5 pi. These are exact value over 4 plus the cotangent of 3 pi over 4. These are both quarters, so I know they're going to be 45 references. 3 pi over 4 is 3/4 of the way to pi, so 45 reference. So it's going to be negative 1, 1, root 2. Isosceles right, so these angles are the same, legs opposite are the same. And then 5 pi over 4 is down here with the 45 reference. This is still negative 1. I go down, so this is negative 1. Root 2. The 45 gives you the isosceles. Tangent is opposite over adjacent plus, so tangent of this is opposite over adjacent, plus the cotangent of this is the reciprocal, adjacent over opposite. So I have negative 1 divided by negative 1, 1, plus a negative 1, which is 0. So that's finding exact values in radian measure.